Good morning, all the first year student. Now let's see the today's topic, covalent interactions. Now the bond formation. Covalent bond is very strong bond. Now the first covalent interaction. Now the first peptide bond is a very strong bond, unbreakable bond. Peptide bond. The peptide bonds, peptide bond, the amino acid in protein are joined together by a peptide bond. See, the protein formation take place. So many amino acids joined together by peptide bond. The peptide bond is formation is like that, CONH. Now this is called the peptide bond. It's a very strong bond, and this bond joined the two amino acid and made up by the protein having the joined together by many amino acid get together by this bond. How they are joined together? Now the two amino acid joined together to form a peptide bond from one amino acid having the carboxylic group and another amino acid having the amino group, and during that process condense the two amino acids, remove the water molecules. Now see how the reaction see that C double bond O H, that is a acid. Okay, now here is NH2 group, H and R, that is a amino acid. Two amino acids joined together, a first wala. Then here is N, C, here is H, here is, abhi aap you can write down this manner. Yeah, ये अल्लाइड हो गया, इधर OH चाहिए. This OH, it's a OH, it's a acid. The previous structure is OH is miss. Two amino acid, this is the acid. This NH2 is a amino, NH2. Now here is this H and this H, this NH2, this amino acid. क्या हुआ अभी है? अमाइनो एसिड्स. नाउ सी दिस रिएक्शन फॉर्म कंडेंसेशन ऑफ द टू मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ टू अमाइनो एसिड, रिमूव ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. क्या होगा? बाहर वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव हो जाएगा. दिस OH एंड दिस एरंदो H, this H, it should be removed. Okay, this joined together, ये और ये joined together, this water molecule is removed. How will they take? See that R, one amino acid molecule is having the carboxylic group, ये carboxylic group का C double bond O, यहाँ पे NH, यहाँ पे रिमेनिंग स्ट्रक्चर इधर R is remain. C यहाँ पे H R C C डबल बॉन्ड बैक साइड. हाँ ठीक है, पूरे C double bond OH. Now see that bond is called as peptide bond. Two amino acid joined together. The one amino acid is the carboxylic group. कौन सा? फर्स्ट अमीनो एसिड में कौन सा ग्रुप आएगा? कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप. सेकंड अमीनो एसिड इज हैविंग द अमाइनो ग्रुप. इसमें अमाइनो ग्रुप, एक अमाइनो एसिड में कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप, दूसरा अमाइनो ग्रुप, दे जॉइन टुगेदर, दे कंडेंस द टू अमाइनो एसिड एंड रिमूव द, ड्यूरिंग दैट रिएक्शन रिमूव द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. उसमें से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल निकलेगा, ये OH and ये H, NH2, remove the water molecule and the two amino acids join together, form a condense to each other, remove the water molecule, and that formation is bond take place by peptide bond. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? This should be the peptide bond. ये A पूरा इसको बोलते हैं peptide bond. ये join and that bond is very strong. The alpha carboxylic group alpha carboxylic group of one amino acid and alpha amino group of another amino acid joined together to form peptide bond. During this reaction water molecule is removed. क्या होता है? During this reaction water molecule is removed. See, are you understand? अभी दो अमीनो एसिड साथ में ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं, तो ज्वाइन होने के बाद एक अमीनो एसिड का क्या रहेगा? कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप. तो ये कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप रहेगा ये, और दूसरे इसका अमीनो ग्रुप रहेगा. ये ज्वाइन टुगेदर. ड्यूरिंग दिस रिएक्शन वाटर मॉलिक्यूल इज रिमूव एंड दैट फॉर्मेशन टेक प्लेस, दैट इज कॉल्ड द पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल, of the two amino acids and they join together. For example, see the structure of glycine. आपको पता है glycine का structure क्या है? H2N CH, ये नीचे H, here is a acid, ये C=OH, that is ये structure आया glycine. Is a one amino acid structure is the glycine. Another amino acid is HNH. ये amino acid of another amino acid का amino group CH3. Okay. ये H और ये COH. Okay. Now this, ये two amino acid join together. अभी इसमें से क्या होगा? रिमूव ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स, ग्लाइसिन एंड एलिनिन फॉर एग्जांपल. अभी इसमें से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल, ये इधर से OH और इधर से H, ये रिमूव हो गया एंड देन द फॉर्मेशन टेक प्लेस. अभी ये रिमूव हो गया तो अभी क्या होगा? रिएक्शन इज कंटिन्यू. सी, ये हो गया, अभी ये रिएक्शन H2N CH C=ONH remaining COH, that is C=O, H remove, N ये ऊपर H as it is, then CH3 H COOH, और ये ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, और यहाँ पे आप, और यू कैन राइट डाउन अनदर वे H2N CH, ये ग्लाइसिन, ये CO, इधर COH H गया, ये एज इट इज CO, और ये N, ये बॉन्ड, ये H, और ये एनिलीन CH3 C double on OH and the H, and that it should be the N, ये, that is called the peptide bond. You can also write down in the same manner, is a manner also. Glycine react with the amino acid, two amino acid react with the another amino acid to form a peptide bond. The glycine having the carboxylic group, aniline having the amino group. During that reaction, remove the water molecule plus water molecule. ये water molecule निकल जाएगा, and that is called formation take place the peptide. Are you understand? Now this is the peptide bond. And what is polypeptide? Now again see the, this is another topic. You can poly एक मिनट, पॉलीपेप्टाइड. अभी ये पॉलीपेप्टाइड क्या है? पॉली मीन्स मेनी. अभी ये पेप्टाइड कौन सा है? CONH. And many amino acids join together to form a protein, big molecules, that called the polypeptide. Many means more than 2 or more than 3, more than 10, more than 20 joined together by peptide linkage, and that linkage should be having more than 10, that called the polypeptides. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? The polypeptide. The two 20 amino acid joined together, 20 amino acid joined together by peptide bond, CONH. ये पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड है. ये is called polypeptide. दो से ज़्यादा peptide bond जो is called polypeptide. And then the compound containing more than 50 amino acids normally are called as the protein. Protein contain कितना? अभी protein में क्या रहता? Protein containing more than 50 amino acid together, and that bond joined by peptide bond and is called as the peptide bond, and they joined by many times, more than 50, it called the polypeptide. Protein joined by peptide bond, they contain more than 50, that is called as the polypeptide. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Polypeptide, and that the covalent bond. Are you understand what is peptide and what is a polypeptide? Always asked in the annual examinations. Okay. Now the next bond. ये होगा covalent bond. Now next should be the non-covalent bond. ये होगा आपका ये. अभी next you can see the non-covalent bond. It's a weak bond. Covalent bond is so strong bond, cementing bond, and the non-covalent bond. See the non-covalent bond. Non-covalent interaction, formation of the bonds. In addition to covalent bond, there are also the non-covalent bond. non-covalent bond are likely to the heterogen bond. वीक बॉन्ड, ये क्या बॉन्ड होता है? ये हेट्रोजन बॉन्ड होता है, हेट्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल से जॉइंट होता है. हाइड्रोफोबिक, वाटर सोल्यूबल हाइड्रोफोबिक बॉन्ड and ionic bond. These are the three bonds of the non-covalent bond. Now see the heterogen bond. अब ये non-covalent में how the formation take place? The heterogen bond. The oxygen atom, the oxygen atom of a carbonyl and hydroxyl and carboxylic group. See carefully, the oxygen bond of carbonyl, hydroxyl and the carboxyl group forms weak, see under the weak electrostatic bond, that is called the weak bond. It is easily break with an हाइड्रोजन. कैसे जमा होता हो? हाइड्रोजन से. with an hydrogen of an amide or amines, amide or amino group. इसमें कौन सा? amides and the amino group. See, now here is structure of tyrosine. How the hydrogen bomb is formation take place. Okay. O, that is H. Here is the join H, NH2 and CH2 4. That is a lysine और ये tyrosine. Two amino acids join together and such bond is called as the heterogen. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? हेट्रोजन बॉन्ड. इसको बोलते हैं हेट्रोजन बॉन्ड. It's a very weak bond and easily breakable. The heterogen bond of the amide formed to the heterogen bond. Okay, sir, another C. How the formation? C double bond O NH. That is a peptide bond है. और ये amide formation take place, form a hydrogen bond. Carbonyl group and the amide hydrogen form the hydrogen bond. Okay, next is the ionic bond. कौन सा bond? Ionic bonds. The amino acid which have ionic side change from ionic bond. Amino acid which have an ionic have form ionic bond. For example, CH2 C double bond O NH3 plus CH2 4 bracket close, that is lysine and asparagine, aspartate aspartate. This is called the ionic bond. The histidine the remaining structure is the histidine NH. This should be the form OOC CH2. There is a glutamine. It is called also ionic bond. Is an example of the ionic bond. And the last bond, that should be the hydrophobic bond. Amino acids which have the non-polar side responsible for interaction. The hydrophobic bond. Hydrophobic and the hydrophilic. That is non-polar. Amino acid is hit to the water, phobic, okay. Philic loving to the water. Amino acid which have non-polar side chain are responsible for this interaction the non-polar amino acid comes close to each other and form a bond that is a hydrophobic bond. These interaction take place in inner region of protein. कहाँ पे होता है ये हाइड्रोफोबिक बॉन्ड? इट शुड बी द इनर रीजन ऑफ प्रोटीन के अंदर के साइड में होता है. एंड देन दिस बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म. कैसे फॉर्म होता है ये अमीनो एसिड्स का? सी द अमीनो एसिड विच हैव द नॉन पोलर साइड आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल for this interaction. The non-polar amino acid comes close together to each other, form a bond. Where is form take place? It should be the inner region of the protein. Protein के अंदर साइड में form. और hydrophobic means this, the hydrophilic and the hydrophobic. They are the two types na in the cell membranes. That is the hydrophobic hate to the water and philic should love to the water. Now these are you understand? Now these are the bond formation take place. Okay. The next, now the classification. Sometime ask the question, structure of protein. Structure is different and the classification is different. See the classification of protein. Very briefly I told you. You can just take down. Read or listen very carefully. Classification of protein. ये अभी क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन is depend on chemical nature. Classification depend on the chemical nature, and the protein classification broadly classify as one first simple protein, simple proteins. Okay, these contain amino acid residue and no other intimated by bound material. Simple protein, it contain only amino acid residue. It contain only the amino acid residue. Simple protein contain amino acid residue and no other intimated bound material, and no other intimately bound material. Are you understand? Okay, now they simple protein is further classified as given below. Is totally depend on solubility. Further classification of the simple protein is totally depend on their solubility. First, protamines. These are the very basic protein, low molecular weight. Very basic protein. It contains the very basic protein is having the low molecular weight. 3000 to 10,000. They contain high proportion of arginine. Protamine contain the highly arginines, are not heat coagule. Okay. Second, histones. These are the basic protein, but high molecular weight. इसमें क्या होता है? Weight is a high molecular weight. It highly contain. इसमें क्या रहता है? Histidine contain क्या रहेगा? It contain highly, ज़्यादा, सबसे ज़्यादा highly contain arginine, lysine and histidine. There it's having the property. हीट में क्या होगा? ये कोएगुलेशन फॉर्म करेगा, और ये नॉन कोएगुलेट करेगा. हीट में क्या करेंगे? नॉन कोएगुलेट्स. सी द bromines, histones, it's having the non-coagulant. Okay. Now third, albumin, commonly used, albumin and the globulin. Albumin and the globulins. These are called the globular protein. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? These are called as a globular protein. Now generally it is called as, क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Globular proteins. They are found in the all cells. This should be present in the all cells. It should be present or found. कहाँ पे? सब सेल्स में प्रेजेंट से. दे कैन इंक्लूड्स, कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है वो? प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन. प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन्स. मोस्ट ऑफ द enzyme are responsible increase the rate of reaction of the fast or many hormones. Next, epidermal protein. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? epidermal protein. Next, classify. This protein should be present. Epi skin, dermal skin, epidermal कहाँ पे रहेगा फिर? obviously skin, hair, nail. Skin, hair and nail में it should be the present, and it contain the cysteine. Cysteine means it contain the sulfur containing amino acid, the amino acid containing the sulfur group, that is called the cysteine. Contain sulfur containing, and they join together by the SS sulfur bridge. They form a sulfur bridge. They form a epidermal protein. Skin, hair, nail should be present. It's cysteine. They are having the sulfur containing. They join together by cysteine. S sulfur joined together by the bonds. Okay, and last is a simple protein, subclassify scleroproteins. Scleroproteins. This should be present in the connective tissues. All the connective tissues. It should be present in the connective tissue. Such as कौन से example of that connective tissues are collagen, reticulin and elastin. Now simple protein, it contains the amino acid. See again, simple protein, it contains the classification of protein is based on the chemical nature. They can classify in the following way. Simple protein, and the simple protein contain the amino acid residue and no other intimated bounded material. उसके साथ दूसरा मटेरियल नहीं, ओनली द अमाइनो एसिड. उसमें क्या रहेगा? अमाइनो एसिड रेसिड्यू. इसके अलावा दूसरा कुछ नहीं. सिंपल प्रोटीन अगेन फर्दर क्लासीफाई ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सोल्युबिलिटी. कौन से बेसिस पे? ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सोल्युबिलिटी. ये अगेन क्लासीफाई किया. उसमें पहला क्लास, नाउ द फर्स्ट क्लास प्रोटामाइन. दीज आर द बेसिक प्रोटीन. क्या है? ए बेसिक प्रोटीन, बट हैविंग द लो मॉलिक्यूलर वेट. लो मॉलिक्यूलर वेट यानी कैसा? 3000 to 10,000. ये इसका मॉलिक्यूलर वेट. एंड दे इट शुड बी कंटेन प्रोटामाइन्स विद हाईली अर्जिनिन. उसमें क्या रहेगा? अर्जिनिन रहेगा. बट देयर द प्रॉपर्टी शुड बी इट इज़ नॉट कोएगुलेंट. ये कोएगुलेंट हीट होने के बाद कोएगुलेशन फॉर्म नहीं करेगा, ये मास फॉर्म नहीं करेगा. हीट होने के बाद में एक वाइट टाइप मास फॉर्म होता है, वो कोएगुलेशन हो जाता है सब प्रोटीन एक साथ में. ये नहीं हो बनेगा. नेक्स्ट क्लास इज द स्टोन्स. It is a basic protein. It is also basic protein, but that is a different than the protamines. It is highly molecular weight. They having the high molecular weight more than 10,000s, उससे भी ज़्यादा. और it is contain highly. उसमें क्या present है? हिस्टामाइन में अर्जिनिन, लाइसिन एंड हिस्टिडीन. उसमें present है अर्जिनिन है, लाइसिन है, हिस्टिडीन हाईली present. They having the properties. हीट में क्या आएंगे? They form a coagulation mass. वो कोएगुलेशन हो जाएगा, इकट्ठा बन जाएगा. एंड द नेक्स्ट शुड बी क्लास नंबर 3, अल्ब्यूमिन एंड द ग्लोबुलिन. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज द ग्लोबुलर प्रोटीन. इट शुड बी प्रेजेंट इन द ऑल सेल्स. वो सब सेल्स में प्रेजेंट है, वो सब सेल्स में मिलता है. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दैट द plasma protein, most of the enzyme and most of the hormones. It should be present in the many hormones. And the last, epidermal proteins. Epidermal protein, it should be present in the skin, hair and the nail. It contains the highly cysteine. It contains the sulfur group. That's why they join together by sulfur linkage bridge. That's why it's called as the epidermal protein. Okay, and last is the scleroprotein. It should be present in the connective tissues. Example, collagen, reticulin and elastin. Thank you. Next time you see the another.